Back again with a new video of exploring SIA MIS platform. On the previous video, I showed how you can register your organization, and once the tanX team has approved your organization, you can log in from the nav bar button and click on login. You can put your email that you use for registering your organization. The default password is tanX123 in small. On logging in into the dashboard, you can see a simple, comprehensive summary of every project, total beneficiaries, funds utilization, and reports submitted to the platform. Here, on the top navigation system, you can see notifications, adjust display settings like smart text resizing, and management of your account profile, like logging out the profile or managing your passwords and profile. This dashboard is a comprehensive view for the organization admin only. Uh, Next, we'll explore the organization profile tab. Here you can see the organization profile tab. Here at the top of the screen, you may see a notification labeled incomplete profile. This message indicates that some required information is still missing from your organization profile. On clicking on edit profile, you can see a form appears which has to be filled by the organization in order to complete the profile. I'll quickly fill some of the crucial information that is required by the platform. I'll start with filling the logo. Next, we can fill our website domain. You can paste your LinkedIn URL here. I'll fill my pin code, my district, and head name and head designation. On the organization details, these are some of the information that is required by the platform in order to create a summary of what the and where the organization works. So I'll start by filling the organization description that I have already made here. I'll just copy and paste it on this input. Similarly, the organization history followed by founding purpose. I'll select the established date. That is September 4th. So these three things are important. That is the vision statement, the mission, and core values. And next, on the legal and registration, you have to fill your legal structure, registration number, registration date, and registration document here. In tax and compliance, you have to fill all the necessary details, that is PAN number, 10, PLA certificate, TG certificate, CSR, and FCR in upper. I'll demonstrate it by saving the changes for now. You have to make sure that it follows the proper structure for website. On saving it, you can see my vision, mission, and core values are displayed here. You can see the organization's led logical framework analysis, that is also known as LFA. This sections help you define your organization strategic objectives and expected outcomes. It is a structured planning framework used in the monitoring and evaluation systems. To create your first organization objective, you have to click on Add Objective. So before we start, I'll explain in this step, we define the high level goals that guide the overall direction of the organization. These objectives represent what the organizations aim to achieve across all its programs and initiatives. Organization level objectives are long-term goals that reflect the mission and vision of the organization. They are not limited to a single project or activity. Instead, they describe the broader results the organizations wants to deliver for the communities, partners, and stakeholders. In the MIS platforms, each objective can be categorized into three types, that is output, outcome, and impact. Let us understand with the example from 10x Innovations. Here, I'll first select the objective level, that is output, and on output I have already created the objective. I just have to copy it from this and paste the description of the output. The code is optionally organized here. I'll put it org tanX 1 and the order index for a better placement of the objective. On click on create objective, you can see on the LFA your objective is reflected. The objective is added, and now I'll quickly add the outcome and impact objectives also. On clicking on add objective, you can see now we'll add the outcome level objective, that is, I'll paste it here and put my code. This is just for reference, and I'll create the objective. Next, we'll create the impact objective. I'll select impact here. I'll paste, copy my objective and paste it here and put my code and select the order index. You can see my basic organization LFA has been created.